Now we're back and we're finished the 151 chains, and your pattern that I've retyped out will show you that row 1 you start with a turn. So that's when you turn your work to go back into it this way. And it actually says chain one more. So this will make more sense when you repeat the pattern, but for now we just chain one more to equal 152 stitches. Then after that it has 2 single crochet. So if we were to go into this stitch right here, we would just undo what we just did. So you always skip the stitch closest to your hook when you're going back. Zoom this here. And you go into the second chain from your hook. So I'm going to go into the second chain here underneath the 2 strands, because we're working with 2 pieces of yarn. So I'm going to go underneath there. You yarn over once you've dove into that space, bring it up through, yarn over again, and bring it through both. Then we have to do 2 single crochets, so we move into the next stitch, which is right here. That's the one we just worked. This is the next stitch here. So we go under the 2 again, yarn over, bring it up through, yarn over, sorry, I had to pull my yarn there, yarn over again, and pull through both. So we've just completed our 2 single crochets. You can see them there. After the 2 single crochets, it says skip 3 chains. So this is the chain we just worked into, so we're going to skip this V here. So that's the V we just went into. So we're going to skip this one, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to go into this guy here. So we skip 3, and so into the 4th stitch, it says to do 7 double crochets in the next stitch. So we're going to do 7 all into this one stitch. So with double crochet, you yarn over first. So you yarn over, then you dive into the stitch. So we go under those 2 bars there. Yarn over again, pull up through, yarn over again, pull through 2, yarn over again, pull through the last 2. So whenever you've completed a stitch, you should only have the 1, or I guess in this case the 2 pieces of yarn left on your hook. So that is the stitch we just worked right there. So we're going to go into that 6 more times because we have to do a total of 7 double crochets. Yarn over, go in, yarn over, go through 2. Oopsies, I missed one there. Yarn over, go through the last 2. Do that one more time slowly and then I'll go fast. So we yarn over to start, go back into that big hole there. Some people have been wondering about this hole here. That's fine, that'll spread out and you won't notice it once the scarf is complete. So don't worry about this big hole there. This is the hole we're going into here that we've worked 2 double crochets into already. There's 1 and there's 2. So we've yarned over to start. We dive in and we yarn over as usual. Pull it up through. So you have 3 stitches on your hook. I just gotta get more yarn here. It's stuck in the camera. We yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. So when I join you again, I'm going to have finished my 7 double crochets.